Hello, this is that creative girl with yet another video for you. In this video, we will see how you can make DIY cucumber cream, which will not only reduce dark circles under your eyes, but it will also reduce pigmentation, dark circles and acne from your skin. Before starting the video, I'll be really glad if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So you will need a cucumber. I prefer peeling due to pesticides, but if you want, you can leave the peel. After peeling is done, you're gonna have to grate the cucumber. Now that grating is done, take another bowl. Take a muslin cloth or a strainer, whatever you have. I'm gonna use a muslin cloth. Now strain the juice. Please ensure that the cloth is clean before the straining. So finally we have got our cucumber juice. We're gonna change its consistency in the next step. So let's see. So in the next step, you will need flax seeds. So for the 1 bowl of cucumber juice, we'll need 1 bowl of flax seeds. Mix it properly and keep it overnight, or it may take hours depending on the temperature where you leave. So I'm going to show you how you can use the leftovers of the cucumber. You can make a small round patties of it and keep it on your eyes like this. This will reduce dark circles. So after overnight soaking of flax seeds, the mixture will somewhat look like this. It has turned a bit whitish gel-like. This flax seeds will not only provide our gel a good consistency, but it has omega-3 fatty acid, which is great for dry skin, and it will clear up your skin. So now we have to strain this mixture. I'm going to take another muslin cloth and strain it. So this flaxseed gel is also good for your hair. It acts as a natural conditioner for your hair and make your hair tangle free. Please make sure your hands are clean before this, because it's gonna get real messy. You can see how our juice has turned into a gel. Don't worry about the greasiness, it gets readily absorbed by the skin. So now that our gel is ready, we can pour this into a bottle or a jar You can keep this in a fridge for at least 15 to 20 days and apply it on your skin as a moisturizer. You can also use this as a face mask or under eye mask. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use this cream to get rid of dark spots. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel.